From the moment we met 7 years ago, my life changed in the most beautiful way. You walked into Supply House, and in an instant, your goofy charm and kind heart lit up the room.
To my wife, Carol, words cannot express how lucky I am to have found you. When we first met, I saw the most exotic blue eyes, glowing with the lights of New York City. You have been my rock and my soulmate, and I am so elated to spend the rest of our lives together. I love you so much, and I am so excited to marry you.
I'm endlessly inspired by your larger-than-life passions, and I truly believe that we are standing here today in paradise because of the vision you had to dream this day into reality.
It is my great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Wherever you are is where I want to be. You are my home and the center of my world. Your fierce devotion to me and your unwavering, undeniable support and loyalty are all I need in this lifetime. You are my heart, my best friend, my forever, and I'm so lucky that we chose each other.